Hello and welcome to Excel tutorial. In this video, I would like to show you how to link multiple sheets in Microsoft Excel. Here in the first sheet, we have the summary sheet, followed by Tuesday data, then Thursday data. What we'd like to do here is to summarize Tuesday and Thursday data on this sheet and get the total. This video is probably for basic and intermediate users of Microsoft Excel. If you're an advanced user, I'm pretty sure you must have come across this several times. So to begin, we type equal sign, sum, press tab. While we have the parentheses open, we go to Tuesday sheet and select the range of data we would like to sum. Close the bracket and hit enter key. We have $4,175 spent on Tuesday. Then for Thursday, we type in equal sign, repeat the same procedure, sum, go to Thursday sheet and select the range. Close the bracket and hit the enter key. And we have $4,150 spent on Thursday. Now to get the total number of attendees, we do almost exactly the same thing, just that this time around we are going to use counts. Okay, we type in equal sign and select count A. Notice that there are different types of counts. In my subsequent videos, I'm going to discuss about some of these counts, but for now what we'd like to select is count A. What count A does for us is to count every non-blank cell. Alright, so while the parenthesis is still open, we select Tuesday sheet and select the range of data we would like to count and hit the enter key. We have 13 people. We'll repeat the same procedure. Type in count A, select Thursday, select the range of data we would like to count and hit the enter key. We also have 13. To get the total of the two, we type for fees, we type equal sign and sum the two data we have here, and that gives us $8,325. We repeat the same procedure here, type sum and sum the two. We have 26. Cross check and know whether what we typed actually worked. We'll have to delete a record. For instance, we want to delete Nelly because we've realized that Nelly did not attend after all. We select the row, right click and delete Nelly. Let's go back to our summary tab. We have for Tuesday, we have $3,775 spent on fees, and we now have 12 attendees. So this is how to link different sheets in Microsoft Excel and get a summary of all in one summary sheet. Do not forget to like my videos, share with your friends, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel so you could receive more of these videos. See you.